Northern Ireland, a land of myths and legends, is a small country with a big heart. Nestled in the northeastern corner of the island of Ireland, it is a place where history and nature intertwine seamlessly. The stories of ancient warriors and mystical creatures are woven into the very fabric of its landscapes. It's a place where breathtaking scenery unfolds around every corner, captivating visitors with its raw beauty. The lush green fields stretch as far as the eye can see, dotted with charming villages and historic castles that stand as silent witnesses to centuries gone by. From the rugged coastline to the rolling hills, Northern Ireland is a feast for the senses. The air is filled with the scent of wildflowers and the sound of waves crashing against the shore. Each landscape tells a story, inviting you to explore and uncover its secrets. Imagine towering cliffs plunging into the wild Atlantic Ocean, their sheer faces carved by the relentless power of the sea. These dramatic cliffs are not just geological formations. They are the guardians of the land, standing tall and proud against the elements. Ancient forests whispering secrets of the past, their dense canopies providing shelter to a myriad of wildlife. These mystical woodlands are places of tranquility and reflection, where one can lose themselves in the beauty of nature and the echoes of history, and serene lakes reflecting the ever-changing sky, their still waters mirroring the clouds and the colors of the sunset. These lakes are like mirrors to the soul, offering moments of peace and contemplation in a world that often moves too fast. This is Northern Ireland, a land where nature takes center stage. Its wilderness areas are sanctuaries for those seeking solace and inspiration, places where the beauty of the natural world can be experienced in its purest form. Join me as we embark on a journey to discover some of the most awe-inspiring scenery this enchanting country has to offer. We'll traverse winding roads and hidden paths, uncovering the gems that make Northern Ireland a true paradise for nature lovers. From the iconic Giant Causeway, with its unique basalt columns formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, to the mystical dark hedges, a hauntingly beautiful avenue of beech trees that has captured the imagination of many, we'll delve into the heart of Northern Ireland's natural wonders. Each site we visit will reveal a new facet of this land's incredible diversity and charm. So fasten your seatbelts and get ready to be amazed by the Emerald Isle's hidden gems, waiting to be explored. Whether you're an adventurer, a history buff, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty of the natural world, Northern Ireland has something to offer you. Let's begin this unforgettable journey together. Our first stop takes us to the breathtaking Antrim coast, a place where nature's beauty is on full display. Here, we find the legendary Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder that has fascinated visitors for centuries. This UNESCO World Heritage Site is truly a sight to behold, with its unique and striking formations. According to local legend, the causeway was built by a giant named Finn McCool, who wanted to create a path to Scotland to challenge another giant. However, geologists offer a different explanation, one rooted in the Earth's natural processes. Thousands of years ago, intense volcanic activity led to the formation of these 40,000 interlocking basalt columns, each one a near-perfect hexagon, created as the lava cooled and contracted. The result is a surreal landscape that looks like it belongs in a fairy tale, with its whimsical and otherworldly appearance. As you walk along the causeway, you can't help but marvel at the geometric precision of the stones, and let your imagination run wild with thoughts of ancient giants and volcanic forces. This is nature at its most playful and awe-inspiring, a place where the Earth's history and legends come together in a stunning display. Whether you visit at sunrise, sunset, or any time in between, the Giant's Causeway offers a unique and unforgettable experience. The surrounding area is also rich with flora and fauna, adding to the magical atmosphere of this natural wonder. It's a place where families, adventurers, and nature lovers alike can come to explore, learn, and be inspired by the beauty of the natural world. So come and experience the Giant's Causeway for yourself, and see why it continues to captivate the hearts and minds of all who visit. Just a stone's throw from the Giant's Causeway lies another iconic Northern Irish landmark, the Dark Hedges. This enchanting avenue of beech trees was planted in the 18th century, and over time the branches have intertwined to create a natural tunnel. The play of light and shadow through the leaves creates an ethereal atmosphere, transporting visitors to another world. It's no wonder that the dark hedges has become a popular filming location, featuring in shows like Game of Thrones. From the coast, we venture inland to the Mourne Mountains, a granite massif that dominates the County Down landscape. These majestic peaks, sculpted by Ice Age glaciers, offer breathtaking views and challenging hikes. The highest peak, Slieve Donard, stands tall at 850 meters, rewarding climbers with panoramic vistas of the surrounding countryside. Explore the Mourne Wall, a dry stone wall that snakes its way across the mountains, or lose yourself in the tranquil beauty of Silent Valley, a glacial valley carved out millennia ago. Section 5. The Glens of Antrim, a Tapestry of Green. The Glens of Antrim, nestled along the coast, are a series of 9 verdant valleys, each with its own unique character. Carved out by glaciers during the last ice age, these glens are a tapestry of rolling hills, sparkling streams, and picturesque villages. Hike through the forests, discover hidden waterfalls, and immerse yourself in the tranquility of nature. Oh, and don't forget to visit Gleneriff Forest Park, known as the Queen of the Glens, with its stunning waterfalls and scenic trails. Section 6. Strangford Lough, an island paradise. Strangford Lough on the eastern coast of Northern Ireland is a haven for wildlife and a paradise for nature lovers. This large sea lough, dotted with over 365 islands, is a designated area of outstanding natural beauty. Take a boat trip to explore the islands, spot seals basking in the sun, or observe the diverse bird life, including terns, oyster catchers, and even the occasional peregrine falcon. Strangford Lough is a testament to the diversity and beauty of Northern Ireland's natural heritage. Section 7. The North Coast, a dramatic coastline. The north coast of Northern Ireland is a symphony of rugged cliffs, sandy beaches, and hidden coves. From the Giant Causeway to the seaside town of Portrush, the coastline is a constant source of breathtaking views. Take a walk along the cliff-top path, feel the sea spray on your face, and breathe in the fresh sea air. Visit the Carrick-a-Rede Rope Bridge, a swaying rope bridge that connects the mainland to a tiny island. The North Coast is a place to lose yourself in the raw power and beauty of the Atlantic Ocean. Section 8. The Sperrins Untamed Wilderness. The Sperrins, a mountain range that straddles the counties of Londonderry and Tyrone, offer a glimpse into Northern Ireland's untamed wilderness. These rolling hills, blanketed in heather and peat bogs, are a haven for hikers, nature lovers, and those seeking solitude. Explore ancient megalithic tombs, discover hidden valleys, and experience the peace and tranquility of this remote and beautiful landscape. The Sperrins are a reminder that true beauty lies in simplicity and connection with nature. Section 9. Fermanagh Lakelands, Tranquility Personified. Fermanagh Lakelands in the southwest corner of Northern Ireland are a haven of peace and tranquility. This network of interconnected lakes, islands, and waterways is a paradise for boating, fishing, and simply soaking up the serene atmosphere. Rent a boat and explore the islands, each with its own unique charm. Visit Devonish Island, home to a 6th century monastery, or White Island, with its mysterious ruined church. Fermanagh Lakelands are a place to escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and reconnect with nature. Section 10. Belfast's Charm, a city with a view. No trip to Northern Ireland is complete without a visit to Belfast, the capital city. While Belfast is a vibrant and modern city, it also boasts stunning natural beauty. Take a stroll through the Botanic Gardens, visit the Victorian Palm House, or climb Cave Hill for panoramic views of the city and the surrounding coastline. Belfast is a city where urban life and natural beauty coexist harmoniously. Section 11. Explore the world with me. Welcome to another exciting chapter of our journey. And so, our journey through the breathtaking scenery of Northern Ireland comes to an end. This land of myths and legends has offered us a glimpse into its soul, with its rolling hills, lush green fields, and dramatic coastlines. From the iconic Giant Causeway, with its unique hexagonal rock formations that have sparked the imagination of many, to the tranquil Fermanagh Lakelands, where the serene waters reflect the beauty of the surrounding landscape, Northern Ireland has something to offer every nature lover. Whether you're an avid hiker, a history enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates natural beauty, this region has it all. But the world is full of incredible destinations waiting to be explored. From the bustling streets of Tokyo to the serene beaches of the Maldives, there is so much more to see and experience. Which part of the world would you like to read about next? Perhaps the ancient ruins of Machu Picchu, the vibrant culture of India, or the stunning fjords of Norway? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Your suggestions and feedback are invaluable in shaping our next adventure. Your support is crucial for the growth of this channel. It allows me to continue bringing you high-quality content and exploring new destinations. Every like, comment, and subscription helps me to continue creating engaging and informative content. Your engagement makes a huge difference. Let's embark on more adventures together. There's a whole world out there waiting for us to discover. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on my latest explorations. This way, you'll never miss out on any of our exciting journeys. Let's discover the wonders of our planet, one adventure at a time. From the highest mountains to the deepest oceans, there's always something new to explore.